In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up leverage on Tradingview. We're going to walk through this using Tradingview's paper trading feature, which is a simulated account that lets you practice with leverage safely, without risking real money. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to connect paper trading and get yourself ready to test leverage trades on your charts. First, open your Tradingview chart the way you normally would. Once you're on the chart screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Up there, you'll see a button labeled Trade. This is your gateway into placing orders directly from Tradingview, and it's also where we'll access the paper trading system you'll be using to test leverage. Go ahead and click on the Trade button. When you do, a small menu will appear with different trading options. From that menu, look for Paper Trading. This is Tradingview's built-in demo environment. Click on Paper Trading to select it. After you choose Paper Trading, you'll see a panel or pop-up with a Connect button. This is Tradingview asking you to link your chart to the paper trading account so it can simulate orders, positions, and leverage. Click on Connect. At this point, Tradingview will guide you with on-screen prompts. Carefully follow each prompt as it appears. You may be asked to confirm that you want to connect to the paper trading account, accept default settings, or review your starting virtual balance. Since this is simulated money, you can safely proceed through these steps, but still take a moment to understand what each screen is telling you. This will help later when you begin adjusting position sizes and leverage levels in your trades. As you go through the prompts, keep an eye on the bottom of your chart. You should see a trading panel appear, usually showing your paper account balance, open positions, and order history. Once that's visible and shows that you're connected, your paper trading is set up. From here, you can start placing demo trades and explore how leverage would affect your position size and risk, all within this safe environment. To recap, you clicked Trade at the top right, chose Paper Trading, hit Connect, and then simply followed the on-screen instructions. With that done, you're ready to experiment with leverage on Tradingview without putting real capital on the line.